Hello, today I'm back. Today I'm gonna make lumpia, okay? With the shrimps. I will show you how I make it, okay? First, I will remove, I hope you can see, I will remove the tops, okay? We don't need that. And then we're gonna slice it in a very thin, okay, very fine pieces. I have here the bean sprouts, okay? So, we're gonna transfer it here. The spring onions, put it here, okay? There is no measurement, okay? So that is. I will come back, I will just finish slicing all the spring onion, okay? Now, this is it. The spring onions are here. Now I'm gonna slice the cabbage, okay, into fine pieces. We're gonna remove the hard core. Now, we transfer here again. Now all the cabbage are here. The sliced cabbage. I have here my carrots, okay? I grated the carrots. Using this, okay? I'm gonna slice celery into very fine pieces. I have to wash it first. Okay, and here are the celery, the rest of the celery. I will slice, okay? I have here curry powder. There is no measurement, huh? You can use curry powder so much you like. I have here powdered garlic, okay? It's a powdered garlic. You can buy this in the supermarket. You can use powdered paper or powdered pepper, okay, or white pepper, or black pepper, but I like to use chili flakes, okay. You can use salt if you prefer salt, but I use bouillon, chicken bouillon, so it gives more taste, okay. It enhances more the taste. Okay, then we'll mix it and leave it for a while, and then I will taste it again if it needs bouillon or pepper. This is an option. You can use MSG if you like, okay? This is MSG, but if you don't like to use MSG, it's okay. I only add little to enhance more the flavor. I wash my hands because we're gonna mix it, okay? So this is how to mix the vegetables. Now, I will leave this for a while, and I give the time for the vegetable to absorb all the seasonings, okay? Now I'm gonna make cornstarch with water, okay? It will serve as a sealer, okay? So when I make lumpia, and the sides of the lumpia will not be open once it's frying, okay? So I have here cornstarch. You can use flour, but I use cornstarch, okay? There's no measurement. Okay. And there is water. So I'm gonna mix it, and I will use it later when I seal the lumpia. Oh, okay, I'm back. I've already made one lumpia, okay? And these are the vegetables for the lumpia. And I have here the shrimps, okay? And the cornstarch water mixture to seal the lumpia, okay? So, I will wrap the lumpia, okay? So you can see. There you are. Then we're gonna add one shrimp, okay? That's enough. Then we're gonna fold the two sides and we will roll it, okay? And then I'm gonna seal it with the cornstarch water mixture. So that's it. How to make the lumpia and how to wrap the lumpia. Okay? Okay. Now I've already wrapped all the vegetable lumpia. Now I'm gonna deep fry it here in the friter. We'll just drop 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now we're gonna deep fry it till it becomes nice brown or golden brown. Now you see they're nice brown. Now we will take them out. We will retrieve them. And I have here a strainer, okay? I have here a strainer with this. Then the oil will leak under, will drip. Okay? So now there you are. I hope you can see. Yeah. So I hope you like my video. So this is how to serve it. Okay.
What's going on? From the rest.
You put the one here. Okay. And then you can buy sweet sour sauce in the supermarket. Okay. There you are. Very simple. Okay. You cut it in two. And you see the inside is very nice. It's not oily. Okay. It's very nice. So thanks for watching. Bon appetit. Very delicious. You try this at home to your family, loved ones. They will surely love it. Thanks for watching.
Until 8:25, when the body slid off the clock and landed under a car. You made sure that the alarm was activated so that everyone would know exactly when she fell.
Bye.
It was only one trouble. The ground secret just happened to see.
The vegetables are crispy. Very crispy.
It's true.
I'm not oily. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.